Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Chrysler 300. First, gather your essential tools: a set of reliable jumper cables and a vehicle with a fully charged 12-volt battery. Before starting, make sure both cars are turned off in park or neutral and their parking brakes are firmly set. For your Chrysler 300, the battery is in the trunk, but you'll use remote terminals under the hood, typically on the passenger side. Safety is key, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Locate the positive remote terminal under your Chrysler 300 hood. It's usually covered by a red cap. Attach one red positive clamp firmly to this terminal. Next, take the other end of the red cable and connect its positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Double-check that both red clamps are securely attached to their respective positive terminals. With the positive cables in place, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working car's battery. For your Chrysler 300, attach the other black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis, away from the battery terminals. Once all four clamps are connected, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. After this brief charging period, try starting your Chrysler 300. Once your Chrysler 300 starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. Remove the black negative clamp from your Chrysler 300 metal surface first. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the good battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the good battery, followed by the red positive clamp from your Chrysler 300. Let your car run for at least 15 minutes to help recharge the battery. If it struggles to start again, your battery might need professional testing or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.